Hey, what's going on? Sergio here, and I want to thank you for your interest in the training. So, I want to give you a few steps to get you on the right path to success with as little trouble as possible. So, first things first, the training should be sent to your email. So, once you're done watching this video, go check that out. And just to be sure, check your spam folder or your junk folder. Make sure it's not there. And in case that it is, just be sure to move that email into your main inbox, because in the future, if I send you any updates, any future trainings, I want you to be able to receive those in your inbox and not your spam folder. Now, that training is going to be one led by my newest partner, my newest mentor, Zach Crawford, the same one that has pretty much helped me get these newest results that I've had, and the biggest month that I've ever had. And in fact, I've been able to hit 15K in the month of March, and actually I got one of these awards from him. And it's the fastest I've ever done it in my affiliate marketing business, and I want to actually give you the chance to watch that training as well, because it's helping beginners get from 0 to 10K in 90 days or less. And it's doing affiliate marketing. And the beauty of it is you can do it a few hours a day. But now, on to step two. So, along with that training that you're going to be receiving in your email, you're also going to be seeing real strategies and real methods in the next few days that beginners are doing, that people that have a little bit more experience are doing, and that veterans in the online space are doing to actually scale up their business or just start it from scratch. But this is the same one that I applied myself. I researched it for months to make sure that it was beneficial to people and that it would work and that it had integrity, because I've done quite a few programs before. I've had success, but I've never had the guidance that I had once I actually followed this game plan. And the beauty of it is it can be replicated by anyone, just like you. I was a school teacher. I found out about affiliate marketing during COVID in 2020, and it was crazy. It was crazy. I worked 50, 60 hours a day. I'm a father of two boys. I'm married. Time was a big factor for me. I didn't have a lot of time to do a lot of stuff, but with a few hours a day, I was able to scale this. But I've never had a clear picture of what to do until I implemented this new method. So on to step three for you. Now, I want you to look deep down and think about why you're here. What is it that's pushing you to be here? Are you trying to leave to the 9 to 5? Are you trying to have more time freedom to be with your family? Maybe your job is just stressing you out and you need a little bit more income to alleviate the bills. Whatever it may be, all of it comes down to your focus and your determination. So that's all I ask once you go through these trainings and you go through these follow-up methods and strategies that I'm going to be sending you. Because without focus, you're not going to be able to learn, but you won't implement what you learn. That's all I ask of you. Focus, learn, and implement. Because there are tons of programs out there. There are tons of scams out there. Trust me, I've been scammed before. I know what you're thinking. Sergio, this sounds too good to be true. What if it doesn't work for me? I don't have tech skills. I'm a beginner. This and that. As long as you're determined to do something different, this can work for you. This is the best model that I've found. If you pick one business model and one mentor to show you, and you go all in with it, that's when results start changing. You learn it, you apply it, and then soon enough, you'll stop being the person that's consuming everyone's videos, and you'll start creating your own, to the point that you're gonna start becoming that person that you see on these videos or that you see on these posts. And the cool thing is you don't even have to make videos. In this training that you're gonna be receiving in your email, you're actually gonna be seeing real strategies of how you can use Facebook. Out of all the things, Facebook. And again, you don't have to make videos. So for the fourth and final thing, all that's left to do is click on the button below and join my Facebook group. I highly encourage it because it'll help you get the most out of this experience. So you'll actually be able to see live trainings that I'm going to be holding, as well as case studies. So things that I'm going to be implementing in my business that you can actually replicate on your own. But on top of that, one of the most important things, actually, in my opinion, is that if you ever get stuck or you want to try something new and you need someone to ask questions to, you can actually ask them in that Facebook group and your questions will be answered. I'll be able to help you as best as I can. So with all that being said, all that's left to do now is join the Facebook group down below, feel free to watch any of the testimonials down below about people who went through the same training that you're about to go through, and check your inbox. Watch that training, take notes, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to working with you, and I'm open to any question you may have. So take care.